Okay, so we've got most of this tractor together now. There's some few more things we're going to do with some decals and lettering. I'm not sure how Mary Beth is going to do it, but we'll do some decals along the side here, and then maybe on the rear fenders. But so some of the things that we did while we were doing the maintenance was we changed out the spotlights up top and then put a light bar across up there. You know, it'd be in the winter time, it gets dark soon, and I like to get out early and plow, and sometimes I'll stay late and plow. We did do the repairs on the hood, and then we put a new headlight in and a brand new grill, and got that all said and done, along with some other maintenance things. Here we had to put in these two brackets on both sides because I cracked them. I was apparently trying to lift up too much weight, more weight than it's supposed to, but I was having fun, so I guess it doesn't really matter. Back here we put on, again, new lights, and these two actually were replaced with these LED lights, and then this light bar, again, giving me more visibility for when I hit something. Then I can see what I'm hitting very clearly. And most of everything that I hit is usually junk, and it should have been in my way anyway. So, and my horn doesn't work, so I can't really get people or things to move out of my way. One last thing we got to do here is change this mirror out. I was driving through the woods one day and I hit a tree and cracked the mirror. Again, if my horn would have worked, I would have honked and the tree might have gotten out of my way. But we got all the body work done and new lights. The maintenance has been done on it. We've got the new bars down there. I think the guys did a great job on it. And again, it's the same color. It's not the John Deere color. It's the same color as our company trucks here. So I just got to wait and see what Mary Beth is going to do for designs, and then we'll go from there. Hey, real quick, I want to show you another vehicle. Come on with me. Walking. Okay, so I want to show you another vehicle we just finished up with too that belongs to the company. This one belongs to, we're going to be letting Tony use it. It's a Ford truck. He did some really cool things to it. I see the hood wasn't closed, but this center flag emblem is pretty neat. Put a new grill on it, some lights, and then of course we did all the body work on it. The sides, we put brand new sides on it because I had a little rust popping through, and then we they painted the whole truck. So it's a Ford F-150. We usually don't use these trucks for our towing company; they're too small. But for the body shop, we figured this would be a great truck for Tony. He kind of runs the office and a lot of the things around here, so we're able to keep rolling. But you know, I just thought this would be a great truck, and we put new tires on it, new rims. So again, the only thing left really on this one is we got to have Mary Beth figure out what the design is going to be, and then she will get it done. So another green truck for the shop, and we'll be using it for picking up parts and who knows, whatever else. So again, I just really quickly wanted to show this one because it just finally got done. It's been maybe 6 or 7 months that we've been working on it, maybe a little bit longer. It just takes time, you know, a lot going on. So we got customer cars we got to do. At the same time, we're trying to get some of these other projects done.